In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can expand your CapCut video to full screen. So as you can see, I have here this video, but I'd like it to be in full screen. To do so, just use the option here to expand. So if I go ahead and tap on it, now you can see the video is playing in full screen. Should you want to exit full screen and continue with your editing, then you can do so using this exit option, and this will revert it to the initial site. So if I go ahead and tap on it, now you see our video has gone back to normal. So that's how you expand your video to full screen using your smartphone on CapCut. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.